For 1,000 years, we slept beneath stone and shadow. Now the world below us has changed, but evil has not. The city hides its monsters behind glass towers and smiling faces, yet we remain. I am Goliath.
Warning: life-changing information ahead. Imagine that seconds from now, you could create entire animated shows like The Simpsons, South Park, Family Guy, SpongeBob SquarePants, Rick and Morty, or Dragon Ball with a simple prompt and monetize it with one click. Yes, I'm talking about complete animated multi-episode shows from a single prompt to entire seasons with no crew, no budget, no waiting. A few years ago, things like this simply weren't possible. The technology still didn't exist. Until now, only professional studios could make big money on shows. They were the gatekeepers, as only they could afford it. Animators, script writers, editors, voice actors, VFX teams. The barrier wasn't the storytelling ability, it was cash. Creating even a short animated show was very hard. It was just structurally impossible for anyone without a studio with millions of dollars behind them. That's why most people never even dreamed of making money by creating animated shows until today. Today, all you need is one prompt. Yes, one prompt can create a fully monetized AI show for you. You type one prompt, MOVIEPIX AI handles everything else: script writing, direction and animation, voiceover acting, editing and post-production, sound design and VFX, even monetization. No studio, no equipment, no production team, no budget that requires investors, pitches, and a year of waiting just to get a green light. Introducing MOVIEPIX AI. Revolutionary AI show creator and runner agent instantly creates complete multi-episode animated shows from a single prompt to entire seasons. MOVIEPIX AI allows you to create and run entire multi-episode animated shows from A to Z. Turn your ideas and prompts into scene-by-scene show scripts with dialogues, storytelling, and structure. Generate high-quality show scenes with stunning visuals and storyboard-style output. Upload any image and convert it into professional animated video clips or movies with motion effects. Create complete show sequences by generating multiple clips and assembling them into a full animated show experience. Generate realistic male and female voiceovers in 70+ languages with different tones and moods. Create perfectly matched cinematic music, effects, and soundtracks to your videos. Create shows in multiple genres like cartoon, anime, sci-fi, horror, comedy, action, and much more. Create trailers to create buzz and excitement to build a huge audience for any show. Monetize with one click. Export and sell your AI-generated movies, shows, clips, and content on YouTube, Rumble, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Fiverr, streaming platforms, client projects, and more. It works in just 3 steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, add your prompt or idea, or let AI suggest one. Step 3, click on Generate and let AI create a fully fledged show with everything handled for you: the animation, dialogues, voice acting, music, directing, editing, and one-click monetization. Every piece of content you create keeps growing. Views, audiences, income, doors you didn't even know existed. The more you create, the more you own, and ownership is everything. Something clicks the second you start. That feeling? It's freedom. The expensive tools? Gone. The complex software? Irrelevant. The massive payroll? Replaced by a single prompt. MOVIEPIX AI hands an entire DFY business in a box to you, minus the chaos. But you have to hurry. The discounted price you see on this page right now is a special launch period deal only. After the initial launch period, we reserve the right to raise the price and make the fee monthly. The one-time price will probably never be offered again. So if you want to take advantage of that, grab your copy now and pay once and use forever. Of course, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it for a full month, and if you're not absolutely in love with what you got, we will send you your money back. So click on the Buy Now button below this video. We can't wait to personally connect with you on the next page.